Once again, welcome back to Tech Mahesh YouTube channel, guys. This is Mahesh, and in this video, we're gonna see and code for the rock paper scissors game. This is very simple game, and we can make it using Python. Okay, we will see now. Let's continue. Okay, guys. Now we built a code for rock paper scissors. First, import the random. Then take a list, maybe as some L, and in this list we will place all the possible options, that is a rock, and the second one is paper, third one is scissors, scissors. We will take a variable, for example player, equal to initially take as a false. This is for looping the statements. I am taking here as a boolean variable named player. Now I will take a loop while player is exactly equal to false. This is the condition. Sorry. If this condition is satisfied, then loop continues. Here I will take another variable computer, and by using the method choice, I can take a anything random for the computer, and for the player we want to ask, right? So for example, take as ply equal to input. We are asking the input. We are giving a message like this: rock, paper, scissors. In these three, the player want to give the input. Now simply we write the conditions. If computer is exactly equal to, or take like this: if computer is exactly equal to player, then simply the match is tied, right? Nothing more than that. Match is tied, or draw. Anything we can give, simply. Else, if both are not equal, then again we take some conditions. If computer is exactly equal to rock, if computer equal to rock, then there will be some possibilities, right? Again take if player is exactly equal to some paper, then we'll print a statement simply computer wins. We write a small message because how can we take any message you need? Take as a computer wins by, for example, rock. Take elif, and if player is, we don't need even elif, right? We can directly take else, because the equal condition is already checking here, so you can simply take else, and can again print. Even if the player got scissors also, computer wins, right? So again computer wins by rock. Or if you want, you can print those. Take a print statement and type it. Player choosed some ply and computer choosed computer. This is the variable, and here we can write like this, and we don't need all these also. Simply computer wins or computer won. So any computer won the match. Simply anything you can take it. Again the same. That's it here for the possibility of if the computer gets a rock. Again take elif for this and make sure give some space. Elif if a computer gets for example paper, and if player got some scissors. If player got scissors, then simply player won the match, because scissors cut the paper, right? Player won the match. Again take the else. If it is none other than paper and scissors, means it's a rock, right? So if it is rock, then if it is rock also, again the player wins. Again player won the match. Again say take some elif statement. If computer gets some scissors, can also write if player got paper, then simply computer wins or computer won the match. Else print in the print statement, else means then the player will get rock. That means player wins. Player won the match. These are all the conditions. We will take one statement here so that to loop. After each and every match, we will ask, take a variable named choice, put some space. For example, take int of. Okay, no need to int. Directly take input of. We will ask, do you want to continue or not? Simply a question mark followed by some small y or n. Now we will check if ch is exactly equal to y, that means s, then make the variable player equal to true, so that the condition will be false and the loop will stop. Else take as a player else we can nothing to do, because initially the player will be false only, right? That's it, I think so. If there are any some modifications we will do, but for now just run the code now. It's the here we have to give the input. For example, player's choice is rock, player choose rock and computer chooses scissors, then player won the match. Again it is asking, do you want to continue or not? For example, yes, uh, something mistake is not continuing, I don't know why player equal, do you want to continue or not? Continue means, oh, I'm sorry, if it is exactly equal to n, then it will terminate the loop. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. And here also we will lose we'll add a new message so that the user can understand this. Take a print statement and choose anything from here. Simply anything we can give, right? Take some space, or maybe I will write some arrows so that in the output we can have more accurate to see. Yeah, again run the code now. Okay, clear. I'm clearing the screen and okay, let me just run the code. See here, choose anything from here, that is rock, paper, scissors. For example, my option is paper. See here, player choosed paper and computer choosed rock, then obviously computer won the match. Now see here, do you want to, I don't want to continue, I want to continue, I'm clicking Y here. Yeah, again it is asking choose anything from here. Again for example, I can take rock, and computer got paper, so player won the match. And now I don't want to continue, I'm giving n here. See, it's completed. That's it, it's very simple. We can also make some modifications, take a slash so that for each and every iteration a new there will be some space before it. And also here also, do you want to continue, yes or no, or by maybe some arrow so that it will be more visible and clear to notice the output. Again let me just run the code. For example, if you want to make anything changes for that is maybe the user can give some wrong input, right? Isn't it? That means here you can write else here, else in the print, and in the print I can give uh, not here, use the player here and computer here, then I can simply give here a simple else statement, but for now this else statement won't work. Because computer only generate only these three, right? There may be an error, so we have to write else here. Okay, we just it's not that much needed to give. Or if you want to do it, simply don't write like this, and here take the possibilities of the player and here take the computer, simply interchange it so that you can simply at last At last you can write else here, and maybe you can give some prompt like a wrong input that the player has taken, like that. Anything we can give. I want all of you to understand something, the concept, that's it. I think all of you know about the rock paper scissors. This is simply the same. And here also, if the user has given capital Y like this, simply you can take some function like lower, and if that is a string, we can directly take it as a lower, right? Even if the user has given capital letter or small letter, it will be converted into small letter only, and we can directly compare it with a small letter simply, like this. Any of the modifications, if you want to do it, you can do it. But I think you understand how this rock paper scissors game is a simple structure. This is not very hard. It's just simply a while loop, and in that we are taking some conditions. If you know clearly about rock paper scissors game, you can simply do it. Nothing more than this. Thank you. I hope you all understood this rock paper scissors. If you have any queries, just rewatch it. You can, I think you can definitely